Hello, Dr. Cisse covering anatomy and physiology. Today we'll talk about the major organs of the endocrine system. Here, this is the hypothalamus, the pituitary gland, also known as the hypophysis, the thyroid gland on the back posterior will be the parathyroid, the adrenal gland, the testes, the ovaries, and the pancreas. Again, hypothalamus, pituitary, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, testes, and ovaries. Here this is closed, this is open. The hypothalamus here is connected to the pituitary gland. The hypothalamus is located in the diencephalon, which is part of the brainstem of the brain. The hypothalamus is connected to the pituitary gland, also known as the hypophysis, that has two parts. The front part, the anterior, is called the adrenal hypophysis, and the back part is called the neurohypophysis. The neurohypophysis is connected to the hypothalamus by neurons. These neurons will secrete their products into the posterior pituitary, the neurohypophysis. But the anterior pituitary will receive secretion from the hypothalamus through a portal system. I mean, the blood vessels coming from the hypothalamus to the pituitary. The thyroid gland is located on the neck, on the trachea, this is the neck, and this is a cartilage called the thyroid cartilage. This is the thyroid gland. Here you see the hyoid bone, this is on the neck, okay? On the back side of this, of course, this is the trachea, and behind it, we have the esophagus, which goes to the stomach. If you reverse this, look at the back side, you're going to see this one. That's why here you see the esophagus, and you see the parathyroid hormone. Of course, below here, you'll see the same thing as here. This is the trachea. Here, this is the kidney. On top of the kidney, this gland is called the adrenal gland. Adrenal. Renal means the kidney. Ad means on top. It's the gland on top of the kidney. It has the top part called the cortex and the inside called the medulla. This is the testes. It is endocrine as well as exocrine because it secretes hormones and it also secretes the sperm cell, the spermatozoid. This is the ovary. The ovary also is going to be endocrine and exocrine at the same time because it secretes both hormones and the egg. Here, this is the pancreas. The pancreas is endocrine and exocrine. The endocrine because it secretes hormones like insulin, glucagon from the tail. This is the tail, this is the body, and this is the head of the pancreas. Again, hypothalamus, pituitary gland, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal, testes, ovary, and pancreas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in class.